I am at the Ayalon Institute, which is an old kibbutz back in the 1938-1943. The people that lived here, when you live in a kibbutz, it's where everyone comes together and they contribute different areas of life to live together in a commune. What's special about this kibbutz is that this is for during the British Mandate. The people that lived here had a goal, was to build bullets in secret. So they built underground in the kibbutz, and they built over 2 million 9mm bullets to help fight against in the war. As you can see, they lived like normal lives, but 43 people dedicated their lives to go underground secretly all day. Well, during the process, they had problems with having no sun, being around the product of the bullets, so they had to do special things like light treatments and special food to keep the pigment of their skin looking normal. They also, when they were underground, they had to sing songs because of the manufacturing of the bullets. They didn't want the British Mandate to hear them. So they did singing and making other noise so it would look like there wasn't anything going on. These people risked their lives for a cause that they believed in back in 1938 to 1945. So today they've dedicated this kibbutz into being a museum so that we will never forget what the Israel people did to restore and to keep Israel a nation for the Jewish people. I hope you enjoy. Come downstairs, I want you to see. I'm standing in the actual laundry where the people would go down to make the bullets so the British Mandate would not hear them. Why the laundry? Because they would make noise at the laundry machines so they wouldn't be suspected. But that wasn't enough to have one laundry machine making for one kibbutz. So what they did is they let the British Mandate do their laundry here. Well, the British Mandate wanted to come here and pick up their laundry, but they would have got caught. So they found out that the British like beer, but they like cold beer. So they invited them to come have hot beer. Well, they said, we don't drink hot beer, we drink cold beer. Why don't you call us an hour before you come and we'll chill the beer and give you some biscuits. So they would call ahead of time. It would give them a chance to shut down the production. So what they would do is they would shut down the production until the British left, very unsuspected what was going on right underneath them. What is interesting is that they have ventilation because you know when you're underground you need fresh air. Well, this allowed them to have ventilation inside the laundry because of the coming in and out of steam. What's interesting is that one time there was a lady named Esther. The door was accidentally left open and she came in to do laundry, and then all of a sudden the machine opened up and 40 people came out. Well, guess what? They had to give Esther a job to keep her part of the secret society that was doing bullets. So I want you to look around the laundry, it's all still real, and see where they used to go down to make those bullets. Here we are underneath the laundry and the bakery. This is actually the production line that they would do to make the bullets, to produce the bullets. Every single person had their own job. They would come here and go to their own station and produce the bullets. Here's something interesting. How did they get the brass? Well, they acted like they were making lipstick. So they would order brass lipstick holders to make the brass. It was unbelievable. They would get it. How did they get the powder, the gunpowder? They would actually steal the gunpowder, bring it down underneath here, and actually make the bullets. They had a signal that would tell them, they would flash a red light to mean quiet, don't do anything else, and they would flash a red light twice to mean it's okay to go back. I'd like to show you guys what the emergency light was like. One time meant quiet, don't move, don't breathe. Twice means go back. If it goes like this, lot, That means get up and get out, because the British are coming. They're done drinking their beer. They're done eating their biscuits. You got to get out quick. As you can see, they would actually take the brass and make the buttons to make the bullets with. Here's what the bullets look like, the 9mm bullets, right here. So here's all the product. Now I'm going to show you where they actually would practice shooting the bullets as we head along this way. As you can see, everything had to be underground to be quiet. Here is the actual place that they would manufacture the bullet. This is where they'd have to sit under a sun lamp so they'd look like they had sun working in the potato field, because if they didn't have any sun or suntan, it would actually look like they were underground. They didn't want to be suspicious. Here is actually where they would test the bullets, right here. And as you can see, it was really secret because it was so covered and soundproof that the British never even suspected. I hope you guys enjoyed your time here at Ayalon Institute, the museum. It's a kibbutz. It's where they produce the bullets during the British Mandate. 43 people dedicated their lives, and I mean dedicated lives. If they would have been caught, they would have been executed. So I hope you guys like this little piece of history of Israel, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.